Okay, everybody, how you doing? This is your boy Cool Small 4K Tech. I gotta be showing you how to join the beta program. If you're thinking about joining RS to get RS 18 Beta 2, I gotta show you how to do it. It's very simple, very easy. Now, just follow this method and you'll be good. First thing first, all that you need to do, open out your browser. Once you open your browser, right here, you gotta go to this thing right here. You gotta go into this. Pay attention. You gotta go to developer, Apple.developer right here. You see the icon right here where Apple. You gotta go here. Once you gotta go here, excuse me. You gotta scroll down until you see RS18. Now, if you're on a Mac or a iPad, you could do it like this as well. So what you want to do is choose your RS device if you're on RS. Now this is only work if you're on iPhone XS already up and not gonna work. So when you do that, make sure you hit the download. When you hit the download, you got actually sign in right here. So once you sign in right here, you good. So that is really great if you sign in right here. And once you sign in, you able to do it. Now, pay attention. Most likely, some people gonna say, "Oh, you must enroll." You will see a thing say enroll on here, and you don't want to do that. So you don't want to enroll. So this is some of the devices that do support this right here. So the account that I just logged in is a dummy account and not my UJet account. So fake account. In case you want to know. Okay, so you see the beta right here. Okay, so the next step you want to do when you do that, make sure when you sign in, you want to go to the App Store. So when you go to the App Store, you want to look for this application called Developers. And when you look for Developer, it will appear right here. You gotta open this right here. Open this. Download, open, and send into your account right now. So you say send into your account. When you send into your account, you would go right into the settings, go back to Jenna, and go to software update, and it will appear right here. So when you see that, this is how you know you're on RS18. Once you see that, and then you turn it on, mind you, it gotta be off on default. So you must turn it on, and then you will see. But make sure you send into your email for you can to do it. That the only way it will recognize you. So you don't do that, then hey, that on you. Now you is taking a bit change. So now for me as a developer, I'm not receiving too many bugs. So I don't have bugs, but it depends on your device if your device has bugs. So I just want to show you what you will be getting with some of the updates. So first feature you gotta be getting is a new control center. You gotta get something new with here with the new Siri right here. So they did change some stuff around. So you get third party applications right here. You can see how everything looking right here. Really great. When you press down, you have two ways. You can press down or you can hit the plus button right here. Once you hit the plus button, you got a add mode control. You got lots of low control. So say that my favorite one is open its shortcut. So this is native right here. You can explain this. How to lose my other hand. Okay, good. Okay, so right here, you gotta open an application. That's open something like art. Okay, so let me see this. And this is the artist thing right here. So when you open this, you slide up and you get access to your art file right here. And you can see everything that I done as an artist. later. So you can see everything I done as an artist, and this is how you're able to receive it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned on the next Pop One video. So this just show you the installment of it. Peace. Oh yeah, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.